Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So, some exclusive big stuff, okay? Big news, guys. Pay attention to this because this is going to become an indicator. This is going to open some paths for us, ideas. We'll see more or less where we're going in the future. Now, 300 enterprises, corporate developers show interest in Shibarium. Now, that is great stuff. Remember, a lot of attention, a lot of people are waiting for that big development, big release, and that is Shibarium. Right now we're in beta, right now we're popping there, we're testing things out, we're trying to figure out where the holes are, where the problems are, before we release the real thing, because it needs to be 100% perfect. But so much interest, okay, is incredible. So let's just dive deep into it and see how far this is going. Now, WatcherGuru reached out exclusively to NOWNodes, the firm building the access to the Shibarium full nodes to integrate the on-chain data into the upcoming layer 2 network NOWNodes. Confirmed that more than 300 business enterprises and corporate developers have shown interest in Shiba Inu's Shibarium devices. The enterprise and corporates are mostly trading platforms and payment solutions that want to build on Shibarium. More than 300 enterprises and corporate developers have shown interest in Shibarium services on our side, said NOWNodes exclusively to WatcherGuru. When pressed about more details on the enterprise and corporates, the spokesperson for the NOWNodes said these projects are mostly trading platforms and payment solutions. However, the spokesperson refused to give out the names of the corporate firms as the developments are still under work. Okay, so here we have NOWNodes tweeting saying, if you stay ready, you don't need to get ready, as our engineers are working on smooth and fast launch of Shibarium Net upon release. It's important to start building now. We collected all tools and prepared a guide on how to grow the ecosystem. Okay, let's build on Shibarium beta. Therefore, the identity of the firms that are interested to build their products on Shibarium remain to be a mystery. The launch date for Shibarium, Shiba Inu Shibarium Layer 2 solution is not known too. However, the development suggests that the back-end integration is moving at decent pace. Currently, only the Shibarium public beta testnet is available for investors to check the functionality of the network. NOWNodes is working towards bridging the gap between businesses and integrating their platform into the Shibarium network. On our side, development is the following. We plan to provide access to Shibarium full nodes. This will allow businesses to get on-chain data and integrate Shibarium ecosystem coins and tokens in a few moments. So guys, here we have it. No names, but a lot of anticipation. Okay, now the path after Shibarium. So what's happening? Similar to how the world is divided between BC and AD to sort time, Shiba Inu could soon be divided into before and after Shibarium. The path ahead of Shiba Inu after Shibarium release is to aim to delete its zeros through constant burns. The team confirmed that the L2 solution will burn SHIB tokens for every transaction initiated on the network. Therefore, the time zone of after Shibarium could have more chances of sustainably scaling up in price than before Shibarium. Nonetheless, whether Shiba Inu will break free from its zeros and move towards the 1 cent path, only time will tell. So this is how interesting it is, okay? The fact that at the moment we have massive developments coming, so much anticipation. We've got literally a massive queue standing. Will the names be revealed? No, but it's okay. I mean, guys, most important thing, we're working here in quantity, okay? The more, the better, because that spreads, okay? It spreads around social media. The numbers are vital, are crucial. It's like, if you have them on the CV of Shibarium, that's going to give it a better light. Something to look forward to, and I love it. Okay, this is exactly what I want, and believe me, ladies and gentlemen, with so much interest so much anticipation, so much wait for it. It's so going to be worth it. The price is going to absolutely explode, because the moment it's announced, everyone's loading up on Bone. Okay, because a lot of these projects are probably waiting for it to just come out, just to see if this is really happening. Of course it's happening, but some are just, you know, those type of individuals, projects that want, you know, to see it before action is taken. That is absolutely fine, okay? Or some at least evidence and proof. Because since the date hasn't been announced, I'm telling you, a lot of people probably even thinking that Shibarium might come out next year, okay? Which is not the case. I mean, guys, let's be honest. There's way too much hype, too much wait for it. I think holding up for that long wouldn't be a good idea. But if we can really get it out there, you know, working, if we can actually see, you know, at least some confirmations and stuff, then yes, more action is going to be taken. And 300 is a small figure compared to what is going to be joining later, and these are probably ones that they already declared, okay, official support. But you can just imagine after we get Shibarium coming out, and others that still don't know about it, they watch, they see how efficient it is, how much cheaper, how much quicker, how much more transparent, and they'll be joining in. So this number is definitely going to be multiplying big time, okay? Don't expect it to go anywhere lower. So these enterprises have and are relying on you know, Satoshi Kusama, the whole team. They have, you know, pretty much pledged their allegiance, and they will expect it to be very good. And this is why the time needs to be taken. We are going to have to be patient. We are going to have to let them develop and make the best thing ever, because like I've said before, if they release something with holes, with issues, with problems, that's going to be a catastrophe. That is going to be a complete disaster, and we don't want this to happen. We want something good, we want something strong, and something that is going to provide a real utility, okay? Because worst thing, imagine they start operating on it and then they start going through like issues. That word, okay, that message is going to spread everywhere, and that's the last thing we need. We need a positive message, we need a good message, good hype, strong mentality, a lot of power. That is what we need, okay? The best things for our ecosystem. So please, you know, be patient, as I've said. Hope that they can, you know, find another issue, because if they find another issue, that means probably the tokens are going to go down in price. That's going to give us time to load up, because, you know, once Shibarium comes out, the type of effect it's going to have, everything's going to be, you know, skyrocketing in price, and we are going to be more than excited. And I want this to happen, okay? I need this to happen. I know it's very close. It is a matter of time. So please, as I've always said, put your hopes high up. Spread the message. If you have any thoughts, leave them down below. I mean, what do you think? 300 enterprise, that's a big number, and this is only a sneak peek of what we know of, okay? There's going to be way more. Shibarium, you know, it's going to have a massive contribution to Bone. Also Shiba Inu, guys, so important. You know, those zeros need to get burned, and it's going to have a burning mechanism. So without this burning mechanism, we won't be able to ever achieve that 1 cent goal. It's not going to happen randomly, because right now there's too much of it in circulation. So imagine if we went to 1 cent, it would beat all the biggest enterprises, companies in the world in terms of market cap. Is that realistic? Of course not. I mean, I would love that to happen, but you have to be logical, okay, with how you talk about things and how you discuss this. So this is why Shibarium is going to bring a lot of utility. Also, guys, as this community is growing, as we're becoming stronger, as we're exchanging a lot of information, especially nowadays with it's so exclusive, so important, make sure you are subscribed and you hit that notifications bell, because, you know, we are going to be producing a lot of videos, so much content's coming out. You might be missing out very key information, okay? Important exclusive information. And you want to be an early bird, okay? Because remember, a wise investor, informed investor will be so much better than the average investor that just, you know, reads a little headline and starts panicking or taking action based on that. You want to be informed. Okay, you want to understand why you're doing it, you want to have a good plan, and all this stuff you are going to get on this channel. So as usual, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.